This lecture on green energy will begin with windmills in Germany. From there, we'll head to the Itaipu Dam, which is along the Brazil-Paraguayan border in South America. Then we'll head to North America to visit the Hoover Dam, and we'll finish with geothermal energy in Iceland. Some windmills in Germany. Windmills of Germany. One windmill, 2,500 homes, electricity. Generating clean energy.
The largest hydroelectric dam in the world, the Itaipu Dam. This side over here is Brazil, that side over there is Paraguay. It's a binational operation, which was kind of interesting. They mentioned 3,000 workers, 1,500 of them are Paraguayans and 1,500 are Brazilians. It supplies a lot of the electricity that leads to Rio de Janeiro. And hydroelectric, of course, sounds great because it's environmental friendly in that we're not using up the resources of the earth with the oil exploration and all that kind of stuff. But what we have behind that wall is a 100-mile lake. And in order for fish to go spawning in spring, they have to be able to get up there. So they have a series of stairs to allow the fish to get up to go upstream. Interestingly enough, I'm here in winter, which of course is their dry season. It won't be rainy for a couple more months, but think about this. Just north of here is hundreds of square miles, thousands of square miles of Amazon rainforest that basically feeds into this river and into this dam.
700,000 liters of water per second. Water drops on 112 meters into a spin turbine runner, which is connected by a shaft with the generator to produce energy. After water leaves 40 meters below the surface of the Paraná River on the left side in front of the dam, but 40 meters below the surface. Responsável por transmitir energia ao Paraguai. O Brasil e o Paraguai têm direito a 50% de toda a energia, mas o Paraguai tem um território pequeno, então usa 7% e vende para o Brasil 43% que não utiliza. Então o Brasil fica com quase tudo, 93% dessa energia, o que abastece atualmente.
Okay, so Hoover Dam, obviously one of the largest dams in the world. Not the largest, one of the largest in the U.S. There's all that hydroelectric power, so-called green energy. Okay, there's some impact. Hold back all that water in Lake Mead, but anyway, we'll have to figure out how much it produces here, but without it, we'd have no Las Vegas.
Thank you.
Here's where the water comes through and it turns the great turbines or whatever. But where do you see the frothy water?
You see the white water there?
Yeah, I guess I do. All right.
That would be you.
That's what I meant. All right, Lake Mead here in the holding back 100 miles long, something like that. That's what they're telling me. Okay, so I'm at a hot spring in Iceland talking about geothermal energy. Did you know that Iceland produces 30% of its electricity in terms of actual energy? That was electricity. In terms of energy, 50% of this nation is heated by geothermal, including in Lake Reykjavik, as an example. Their roads have hot water piped underneath the roads to melt the snow in wintertime. How awesome is that? They don't have to use salt. Yeah. Facility in Reykjavik. That's one huge building. Of course, it does heat a city of over 250,000 people. All right, so that's a geothermal plant there that's producing a lot of their heat energy and their electricity. But what we saw just outside of town here was the piping, and they probably have
some of this stuff isn't done by electricity, it's done by geothermal. So they say 50% of the energy of this nation comes from geothermal, but only say 30% of electricity. Also, they didn't do any of this stuff until 1973 when we had the big oil crisis. That oil prices shot up in 1973, and that's when they started taking advantage